What's going on in here? Welding up coffee table. Pretty nice to get all the different stuff we need. Little welding rod. We had a piece that was too high, so had to break the welds and bring it lower. It's going to have a nice piece of onyx on the top. Nice. Over here we have a little lawnmower problem. The carburetor got all stuck. Needs to be cleaned to float. Here I am. So it's going to be a nice project. Yeah, sweet. I'll go get that tack on it right now and finish it up.
Oh, I see.
Lincoln power. All done. That's nice, huh?
Everybody can have coffee now. Coffee for everyone.
Well, we have to take
Where's the top? Take it to the top.
We have to take a picture with the top on it.
Yeah, onyx top. Gift of Holton Rower.
Rower.
Alexander Calder's grandson.
That's TMI.
He didn't like the shape, so he gave me a top for free.
Nice. That's solid. I think that's solid state. If you fall down the stairs, it'll hurt you. Wild.
Right a little bit.
We'll take the buffing wheel to it and buff it up. Sweet. There's the grinder there, but we have a buffing wheel too as well. Cool. We like it.